officially start lap 1 of our 6 laps here, so we'll go start with right here. Let's pick up the pace down the straightaway up to about 100. Alright, once they pass, we're back in line. We'll do that anytime I say rotation, that's the process. Other than back on Alright, here we go. Laps in the book, 4 to go, left side of the road here, flip to the right. Back to the side right here, on power, a little early on power for you there. Back out to the right, remember, power, and it's straight wheel.
I see all the smiles on your face. That was so good.
Alright, go set up on.
I want to feel the rotation back, bro. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna for sure put seatbelts on.
Yeah.
Like extra put seatbelts on after that.
I don't know what you're talking about. You made it back, right?
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
I'm
recording too.
Yeah, no, sorry.
But
I'll hold it, it's okay.
okay. That was insane.
Did you guys have a good time?
Yeah, it was great. Yeah.
Where'd you guys driving from?
I'm from Santa Cruz. He's from Irvine, and he's from West Hills.
Oh, okay.
So, all from like kind of more SoCal region.
Yeah. I mean, I spent a lot of my life in that valley,
Oh, I see.
until I got this job. Yeah, I mean, I lived in actually right before I was here. I was living on Magic Mountain Parkway up in Santa.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That neighbors.
So how'd you get into like actual racing and stuff?
I mean, I started really young, you know, well, not super young. Some people start way younger, but I started when I was 15, just bought a kart and started racing. Actually raced at the old Saga Speedway.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They used to have kart races there back in the day.
That's great. Yeah, they don't do that anymore at all.
Yeah, it's been gone for a long time. It's kind of sad that it's not even a speedway anymore. It's just
It's just a swap meet, yeah. Oh my god. Holy shit! So you actually have fun when you do that, or is it more like
It sucks. It's terrible. No one wants to do that.